Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can turn off the liquid glass effect on your iPhone. So let's start the video. First of all, there is no specific option so that you can turn off the liquid glass on iOS 26, but you can reduce the transparency if you don't like the transparent effect on your apps, just like this one. You can all change some settings to reduce the transparency. First of all, go to settings and go to scroll down and go to accessibility. Click it and see, you can see the display and text size. Click it and you can see the option reduce transparency. Just click it and make it on, and after that if you go back to your iPhone, that you can see there is less transparency on the app icon. You cannot see the background because the we turn on the reduce transparency mode. And if you don't like this as app settings, you can also hold on to the home button here and select edit and go to customize. And here are a couple of settings, like if you want to go to the default option like previous iOS version, you can do that. Or if you don't like this, you can go to the dark one. This is my favorite. You can always choose that one, and also you can change the color as you liking, like toggle these settings. You can do different kinds of colors, so it will reduce the transparency option, and you will get what you want. So this is the video. I hope this is a helpful video for you, and I will catch you guys in the next one.